Hello, my little friends. Roar, roar. Look at these huge shelves behind me. Each one is for a special day of the week. But wait, they're empty. Will you help me fill them with the right toys? Let's play a fun guessing game. Let's start with the first day of the week, Monday. Monday feels like a day for something speedy. What toy should go here? A bouncy ball, a rocket, or a kite? What do you think? A rocket? Zoom, zoom, yes, rockets are perfect for Monday. Blast off into the week. After Monday comes Tuesday. This shelf needs something fun and round. What could it be? A teddy bear, a drum, or a bouncy ball? That's right, a bouncy ball. Boing, boing, great choice for Tuesday. Next is Wednesday. On Wednesday, I love being creative. Which toy should we add? A paintbrush, a book, or a puzzle? Yes, a paintbrush. Wednesday is art day. Time to paint colorful rainbows. Thursday is here. This shelf needs a musical touch. Should we add a drum, a guitar, or a tambourine? Yes, the drum. Boom, boom, boom. Let's make some noise for Thursday. After Thursday comes Friday, Fun Friday. What should go on this shelf? A party hat, a balloon, or a picnic basket? You guessed it, a party hat. Friday is the best for parties and games. Now it's Saturday. What do we need for a picnic day? A sandwich, a toy car, or a pillow? Yep, a sandwich, yummy! Saturday is perfect for picnics with friends. And last is Sunday. Sunday is for relaxing. Should we add a pillow, a kite, or a basketball? That's right, a pillow! Sunday is our rest day. Time to nap and dream of another fun week. Wow, look at our amazing shelves. We filled them with the perfect toys for every day of the week. Let's say the days together. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Woohoo! You're awesome. Great job, little helpers. You made this week so much fun. Come back soon for more adventures with me, Pogo the Panda. Bye-bye. Subscribe to Coco Kids and Tales for more amazing learning videos.